this is a movie. Katie.
I gotta make myself presentable.
And this is the snowman. And that's Katie Miller. And across the street is my house. And I'm Alyssa Haynes. And snow. Oh, snow.
Taking some of the snow off Santa so he gets up quicker? Hey, Katie. Katie's kind of cold.
And these are the two Miller cars. This is his decoration.
Yep.
I'm going to walk you through.
Here, I'm going to take
my second slide.
Hey, Frosty's wearing a hat.
Slide. It's very short. And the second slide is much longer.
You doing sliding too, Alyssa?
Right here.
Oh, you might get hurt on that one, Kate.
This is the Winter Wonderland. Here, from all the way up to New York. And there's probably about 5 inches.
So far, yep, you got a good view of that.
And
Camera's getting a little wet, so I'm going to go in.
I'm making a driveway.
Thank you for your narration. Bye.